like to first check how is Khyati doing,
Day
Raman?
by day, her neck muscles are becoming weaker. Her on NG tube or HG tube for her feeding. According to the doctor, protecting the neck muscles is the most important thing that we will have to do it at this point
So,
of
what
time.
is the timeline by which we need this specific drug, Raman? Hi everyone. My name is Devashish. I am along with Raman, a very close friend of mine, and we are here to discuss few things and bring certain things to your notice. So many of you might have seen that we have been campaigning since last 3 weeks for Khyati. Khyati is Raman's daughter, a 6 months old, very sweet little girl, and she's suffering from SMA1, which is a very rare genetic disorder. And to treat that, we need 16 crores INR, which equals to 2.2 million USD. And we have been trying our best to gather the funds. We'll talk with Raman to understand few things today around how Khyati is doing, where we are on the crowdfunding, and what else do we need. So, hey Raman, thanks for uh, giving time, because it's not easy with the amount of calls and the amount of things that you are involved on a daily basis to ensure that we are able to uh, uh, do this crowdfunding, heavy amount crowdfunding successfully. It might have been really difficult. So I'd like to first check how is Khyati doing, Raman, as of now.
Thank you, first of all. And Khyati is currently, we are keeping her on BiPAP machine at least 18 to 20 hours during her sleep, because that is pretty much important for maintaining her health, so especially lungs. And another update is day by day her neck muscles are becoming weaker, and we are also waiting for doctor's advice for doing a barium swallow test for her. So based on the test results, most likely we may be putting her on NG tube or HG tube for her feeding. So what it means is they will put a pipe through the nose directly to the stomach, so that they will avoid any kind of milk ingress into the lungs. And if it is not possible through nose, then they may try directly to stomach actually. So that may take some time depending on the barium swallow test.
Oh, okay. So how early do we need to do that as of now?
I mean, we are still waiting for her sleep study to be completed, and we are waiting for doctor's advice. So the sooner we do it, the better we will get the results out of it.
Okay.
Because according to the doctor, protecting the neck muscles is the most important thing that we will have to do it at this point of time. Because what we were told is those neck muscles are little bit those are not that much strong enough, and we need to protect them very carefully, it seems.
Okay. For all the folks who are watching this, it's for them that SMA1 is very deadly, and the chances of survival are almost nil if we don't get this medicine or the drug that we are for which we are trying to crowdfund, right? So Raman, if you can touch upon that point for a minute and tell to the people who are seeing you for the first time, for their understanding of what it is and how this drug is going to help Khyati, and maybe if you can add upon on how sooner we need this drug.
So one thing is this Zolgensma is, they call it as a gene therapy, and they will inject this gene through a virus, and they will do it. They will inject this one through blood. I think that is what I read it. So through the nerve. So what it does is basically, if you look at if you see this SMA, right? So they won't be having this SMN1 gene and this Zolgensma will try to copy SMN1 copy, and it will start producing the protein for the motor neurons, so that whoever is on this medication, they will be getting sufficient protein for the motor neurons, and so that they can do all kind of motor activities. Suppose, for example, breathing, lifting and sitting, and lifting any objects or anything like that, and also lifting their neck and sitting, walking, all those kind of activities.
Right, right. So what is the timeline by which we need this specific drug, Raman? Because people should know, because we are funding, we are trying to do a crowdfunding for 16 crores, which is a very, very big amount. And it's very important for everyone who is watching this to know that there is a timeline by which we need this drug, and that is going to help Khyati.
What we were told by the doctor is 3 months. Already 15 days are over. So from now onwards, if we count it, approximately 2.5 months. So that is the best time that we should get it. And how sooner we get it, the recovery depends on that one. So how sooner we get this medicine to her, if we were able to supply this medicine to her, so her recovery starts from there onwards. So sooner is the better, but since we have a lot of other complications with respect to the crowdfunding and managing logistics and all those things, so ideal timeline is 2.5 months.
Understood. So how much fund have we gathered so far, Raman, since the time we began? I think it's almost 15 days, 16 days now since we began.
So far, we have been campaigning this one on 2 crowdfunding platforms. One is Impact Guru and another one is GoFundMe. And so far, we got a heartfelt response from 5,000 donors. And with their support, we were able to generate or raise funds approximately close to 10% of our goal. Still 90% is there, and we will be looking for definitely more support is needed. Because it's not a simple, easy amount, and the more and more participation, more and more turn-up from the donors would really help us to save our baby Khyati's life.
When we think individually, but if we are counting all of you into this, then it becomes very, very easy. And it has been possible in the past, and it is possible, right? I mean, just think of the population of this world, of this country. I mean, it's just matter of this thing reaching to the right people, and that is going to help us, that is going to help Khyati, and we urge all of you to donate with as much generosity as possible. And even if it is even a small donation is very useful, and a donation which is of a bigger denomination is useful. Anything is useful. Even you spreading the message for this purpose is going to be very, very useful, because if people know about it and they trust you, then they will help us and they will support us. And we need maximum support of the people around the country, around the world, who is going to watch this. Or if you come across any article about Khyati, about Raman, and about the family, and this is a very, very valid reason. There are doctor certificates, there are many other testimonials, there are a lot of celebrities who are coming out and supporting this cause. They are mentioning about this, they are trying to create awareness about this disease, and they are also trying to support Khyati by spreading the word, and even themselves helping for this cause. So it will be very, very important. So Raman, how is the family holding up? How are you doing? Your wife, is everyone getting enough rest? And I know it's a question which is very, very difficult to answer, but how do you feel?
Yeah, to be honest with you, this is a kind of different pace we never expected, and we never expected, and we never experienced also in the past, definitely, for sure. And these are the testing times. And I mean, since we were getting daily so many phone calls, and we have been monitoring how this crowdfunding is going on, and a lot of other activities are going on with respect to the social media. With all those things, definitely it's a kind of full effort, and also at the same time, we also have to do a normal day-to-day activities with respect to the job. So that also we will have to balance it out. So it is very difficult, and definitely more than 18 hours spending in a daytime, and at least we will be getting some kind of breather time during weekend. So we will be dedicating 100% time on these activities. So it is really tough.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I think the support has been immense. I mean, the way we started, the support has been immense. We just need that support to sustain and increase.
Exactly. Exactly. So far, we got a very good response, and thank you for all the donors. My heartfelt thank you to each and everyone, and even so many celebrities from Telugu industry also responded. For example, so many Jabardast artists also responded, and thank you to all of them. And we need more and more support to take it forward. Actually.
Right, right, right. So, folks, you are listening to this. It's very, very important that we we spread the word. We spread the awareness around this. We help Raman. We help Khyati, and there are a lot of people who are putting efforts to see that we are able to collect the funds which is required for Khyati. So we all need your support till the very end, till we reach that 16 crore milestone, and that's going to be very, very important. The sooner is the better, as Raman said, because Khyati is getting weak, and that kind of this disease is something which will kind of make her weaker
Progressive.
over the days, right?
Yeah, it's a progressive disease.
Progressive disease, and it will make her weaker, and the sooner she is able to access this drug, the better it is for her and the chances for her to live a normal life. So that's why it is very, very important that we spread the word and help Khyati get well soon. So that's going to be very important. So Raman, yeah, stay strong. We all are with you, and we will do everything that is possible and everything above and beyond to ensure that we reach that. And I personally feel confident with the amount of support that we have seen so far all around. So I think it's just matter of time to sustain what we are doing on a daily basis and kind of see what else can be done. So folks around India, around the world, I mean, this amount is nothing if I divide it by the population of the world. This amount is absolutely nothing. But yes, it is very important that you connect to the reason why we are doing this. You connect to Raman, you connect to Khyati, you understand why it is important. I mean, to support this cause, and that's what we wanted to say, and that's what I thought. Why that's the reason why I thought me and Raman should have a discussion and bring out certain things which we might not be aware of. So if you have any questions, any concerns, or any doubts with respect to where the funds are going, you can directly reach out to Raman. His number is accessible. You can directly reach out to, just send a message on Khyati's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere. I mean, or on the email ID. I mean, just connect to us by any means. We will clarify anything that is you need. I mean, if there is anything additional or material or the information that you need to share it, you can reach out to us. We can give it to you. So it will be very important from here to kind of accelerate and see that we are able to gather all this fund within 2.5 months time. So today I guess we are 20th, Raman, right? Today is 20th of March.
Yeah, 21st.
21st March. Yeah, today is 21st March. So considering 21st March, April, May. So maybe we need it somewhere by mid of May. So that's what we wanted to bring up, friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Raman. Take care, yaar. And anything, we are always here. So let's do our best and I think if people watch this, they will definitely do their best and put their best efforts to ensure that we are able to do this for Kathy.
Thank you so much, Steph. Thank you. Thanks
No,
a lot.
no, no problem.